Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my Jolly Sticks monthly subscription, and I also received my monthly subscription for PlannerMonkey Co. So I thought I would share those with you. The first one is the PlannerMonkey Co. It's just a small sticker subscription that you can get. And this one says, "You're out of this world." You can always get a nice little journal card. And I will tell you, I am in love with the colors this month. They are so bright and vivid, even more so than this. So here is the first little freebie that you get. Let me see if I can shine some light on it. So there's the first freebie. Then she always sends us a couple of die-cut stickers. So this one is a vinyl, and then you also get this one. It's just a paper sticker. And then you get a few of the little sticker sheets. So here is the first one. I use a lot of PlannerMonkey Co. when I am journaling. Like, I like this one for, sometimes in my journals I'll write down how many hours of sleep I got the night before. So that's super cute. You get some stars, but look at those colors. They are so cute. Here's some little, like, mobile, I think that's how you say it. And then some little aliens and stars. And then I think this is my favorite sheet. I love the little sticky notes. Those colors are so beautiful. I like to use these and put the time that I have an appointment in. Here is the Macy, the monkey with some moons. You get a, like a sampler, little mini kit. And then you get some quotes and some deco. So that is the Macy mail for March. And if I remember correctly, I think it's $16 for this little subscription. It's just a fun subscription to get every month, especially if it, you know, encourages me to journal. And then the next thing I got was my monthly subscription from Jolly Sticks. It's a UK-based shop. Let me pull this out. It always has pretty packaging. I love this ribbon. I always save the ribbon. And this is a little monthly subscription that you can get. I think I signed up for the 6 months. She gives you a thank you card and then a code to use on the back to save. And then here is our first item, which is a pencil that says Jolly Sticks. We got a, and I thought she was really brave. I told Greg last night, she is really brave to send this chocolate bar from the UK. It hasn't melted or anything. But it is called Hershey's Sprinkles and Cream Birthday Cake. This month's theme of the box is birthday. And let's open this and then we'll go through the kit. Again, I always save the ribbon to craft with. So we got a super cute little mouse pad. Love this. It doesn't move around, so that's always nice. So we got a little gift of a mouse pad. Here is the little freebie. Super cute. It's got the little rabbit. And then we got a birthday kit, a weekly kit. And this kit is called Birthday Party. And it goes well with this. So here is all of the picture boxes and then some boxes down at the bottom. Here is the days of the week, the weekend banner, your date dots, and some of the icons. Then you get some more boxes, habit trackers, checklist boxes. Here's my favorite sheet, which is all the boxes, and a few more picture boxes. And then the last sheet is glitter headers, some deco, and some scripts. And then we have some little die cuts, stickers. So you have your cookies, or cookies and milkshake, some flowers. So super cute. And then we also have some foiled scalloped headers in the, let's see, I think this is a rose gold. And then we have this purple, which matches the kit perfectly. And then some like sticky note boxes with stars at the top, and they also match the kit. So super fun. This is the Jolly Sticks. If you haven't ordered from Jolly Sticks, go check her out. She has her own website. She's on Instagram. Very active on Instagram. She has her own website, as well as she is on Etsy. So this is PlannerMonkey Co. and Jolly Sticks subscription. And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.